Hello, my name is Mac and I am an interstellar dreamer. Ever since I was a kid, I saw Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walk on the moon, or as I like to say it, I saw Michael Collins take Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin to walk on the moon and safely return them back to Earth. And it was my dream to be one of those people, and I think we are only a few years away from a regular person being able to take a spacecraft just like they take an aircraft. And I think by following people like Interstellar Dreams, you can actually make these dreams come true. You're going to be an early adopter into an industry that is going to become the norm. Follow space. Space is going to be the new AI. It's going to be the new education, the new fintech. It's going to be amazing. Your kids are all going to be inspired. You remember when you were that kid who was inspired. That dream died away long ago. It's gonna come back because space is amazing. It is coming back, and it's gonna be for everyone, not just military.